Welcome back to my today's video. You'll be seeing how to make homemade ice cream. Here is our banana free sugar, guys, a very creamy one at that. You cut your banana and put it inside the blender, add in your honey, guys. After adding it, you blend it high speed until it's smooth. After that, you add in your Greek yogurt, guys. After adding in your yogurt, you add in your vanilla extract. Blend it as well until it come out so smooth and lovely. Transfer it into a container and cover it, guys. Freeze it to your own satisfaction. Our homemade banana ice cream is ready. Very easy to make and very perfect and tasty, guys. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment and share for more. In here is your strawberry ice cream, very creamy and lovely. Here is your milk. So make sure to watch this video to the end and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share and comment for more.